Well, sorry about the angle. We're on. We've got 3 camcorders here, and this is the 3rd one, and we've got 2 tripods here, and there isn't a tripod number 3, so it's propped up on something on an HP printer. So we've got the PNI Escort HP8900, which we did the other day, and Mr Chippie is out and about. Now the squelch on this is a right faff. It's second function, long press, turn it down, except until you execute it, you don't know where it is. Tango 21, just setting the squelch, you can go. So second function, we'll try it a bit higher. Let's try it on 9. Oh, and I've got, now that's auto squelch. Whoa, 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 it's second function.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you then. Roger got you at the end of the lane. It wouldn't let me transmit because it was still doing squelch. So once again, and I'm losing the radio as well as losing the plot. I want this in manual squelch. Here goes. Let's try it at 9. No. Let's try it at 10. No. Let's try it at 11. Oh, it seems to be doing it at 11. So can you see what I mean? You can't try the squelch. You've got to go, you've got to put a level in and then go back to normal, set squelch, and it's just a right faff.
Right, we're now passing Amcaster service station.
Roger got you at Amcaster service station.
Roger.
So it's still hanging in, so it needs to go up one. Way! Roger got you at Amcaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a brand new PNI Escort HP8900. The radio is doing 4 watts, I seem to remember, and it has very good receive. Over.
All received. CX audio is nice and clear as well.
Excellent, thank you. So the good point there is I got the squelch in the right position. I don't want to rely on auto squelch, and I need to test it in manual mode, which is what we're doing. You can see what a faff it is. If you are driving along and you come into a town, there's lots of Wi-Fi causing interference, you'd normally just pop the squelch up a bit. So you'd probably have to have manual squelch set high and rely on auto squelch for the rest of the journey. On the mic you've got up, down and auto squelch. You can go from manual squelch to auto squelch pretty rapidly. But all it needed was a knob.
Right, now we're going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Now that's our worst one. That's the 5 mile point, surrounded by trees. So that's working very well indeed. Roger got you going over Rawsby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing. Thanks for the test, and say 1010. Okay, well that worked very well. So the squelch is an absolute faff. That is hateful. So when we did the exploration of the set and we did the adjustments, if you were watching that, you can go into the EU set of channels, which is there, and then back to the UK set of channels. But since 2014 the UK has been allowed to use AM on post 2014 C approved sets. So what you have to do to get into that would be to reprogram the radio that you're in EU to then let you do AM and FM on the 40 UK US on the 40 CPT channels, but then it won't let you do the UK channels. So unlike the Thunderpole 3000, which comes to mind as having the right kind of software or firmware, where it goes from UK FM to CPT FM to CPT AM and then back to UK FM, that's how you'd expect it to be, but not so on this. You have to faff around with the programming. So the other faff is that squelch. It's got loads of other features like scan and dual watch and all that, but those ridiculous Roger bleeps. But some of the things is, if you go into any of those menus, it won't let you do anything. It won't let you receive or transmit while it's in a menu. So you don't know that somebody's calling you while you're faffing about changing Roger bleep tone. And the other thing is, when you press transmit and you let go of it, it stays in for half a second as if it was sending a transmit Roger bleep when it isn't. So if I key up, there's a fraction of a second where it would do the bleep and it doesn't go back to receive. So there you are. So if you're using it on one channel and the squelch is where you want it to be, that works absolutely great. No two ways about it. Let's go over to the base station and let's see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the new for 2022 PNI Escort HP8900 into our Harrier CBHQ